Alright, so we're about to head out for Christina Lake a second time. Right now it is raining. Hopefully that stops before we get there, which would be preferable. However, we can probably fish through it. So yeah, we'll be getting out there really soon. Hopefully the weather fixes itself, because it should be better in Christina Lake than here. So let's get down there, even though it's raining. We should be able to catch something. Yep. Well, that all just happened. I made it back home, even though it was extremely rainy, like torrential rain at points. So that was fun. I ended up with 21 fish, 19 pumpkin seed sunfish, 1 pike minnow, northern pike minnow, and 1 largemouth bass. So I'm happy, especially for that bad of weather conditions. It was a good day. Just a nice little last excursion out here, because tomorrow we're heading back to Alberta. Sadly. Yeah. I don't want to go back to pike and walleye. So, yep. I just want to have as much fun as I can while I'm still here. Take advantage of the time that I have here. Do as much as I can. So, yeah. We also caught, I caught 1 rainbow trout and Bennett caught 3 out at Nancy Green Lake. On our way out, we just stopped by. I ended up catching 1, so that's fun. So that brings me to the total of 22 fish today. Check out Bennett's video of today to be able to see how many he caught total, because I think it was somewhere near what I caught. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Bye.